Alright everyone, today we are looking at the Crosman Springmaster 795. Let's talk about some of the details and then I will talk about my experience with it. Okay, so it shoots .177 caliber pellets. The maximum FPS is 495 feet per second. And as you can probably tell, it's a break barrel rifle. The overall length is 42 inches. The barrel length is 16.25 inches. And it weighs 4.38 pounds. Okay, so how do you load it? This is a break barrel rifle, so all you have to do is pull this down like that. Put your pellet in there. Pull this up and it's ready to shoot. And your safety is right here. So press that button. Right now it's on fire and that's safe. See if I can show you. Yeah, there it is. That's the safety. So I actually purchased this about 9 years ago. At the time the price was about $110 at Canadian Tire. You really can't find these anymore. I think the replacement to this now is the Crosman Phantom. But yeah, I actually did a review on this gun at that time on my old channel 9 years ago. It's still working fine even now. The only problem is that I lent it to someone a couple of years back and they gave it to me with the rear sights broken off, which were adjustable. Really nice sights. Yeah. That's where the rear sight should have gone. And also, another issue that I got when it came back was this. It got really loose. So we're gonna go out, do some shooting, but don't expect me to be super accurate with it because I'm shooting without the rear sights. So I'm just gonna do sort of instinctive shooting. So I'm probably gonna have to stay really close to my target as well. Alright guys, we got some water bottles. First thing we're going to do is a power test. Alright, let's see what happened. Went through this definitely. This too. That's 2 bottles. Not the third one. I guess it just bounced off the third one. Alright guys, let's do some target practice. Okay, so our last target, unfortunately. Oh, can't forget the glasses. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.